Omubunge Ogunda Opoyo Wandayi nigo boigo esokirie rituko ria rero na goteba buna tibari gochiko bakorara buna abarayi ba Azimio bobomo bwa Azimio 1 Kenya goika amagani abo anyarire koba agakorigereriwa nobomo bwa ne serikali yobomo bwa Kenya Kwanza ase atebire amagani abo atatogoika aikiraniwe erinde banyare koba bagotiga okorobekana gati yabo na okoigorwa gwe safa na boigo korigereria abaria abakomishona baria banyarete ko babakobutwa emirimo na boigo kokeya rigori rio obomenyo ase ebinto kiregento kyanyare ko bakegokina imeyense ya Kenya boigo nigagikeria abanyanyimbo baria babete bagocherera ababwatani bobomo ba Azimio 1 Kenya abo babwate banyarete ko babagokora okorobekana kumurembera lakini bagauchererwa amo n'abanyanyimba bo na boigo nigo arure gochika se serikali ko bwatoka baria banyarete ko bakobekwa byara rituko rigoro ase ngencho nigo babegetu byara mamocho ande atayo
that Kenyans from all walks of life yesterday made us proud as a country. As you can see, this movement is no longer just about Azimio, as these Kenya Kwanza people are mistaken to believe. This movement is growing by the day, and indeed, if you are keen enough, you must have realized that those who turned up for these demonstrations were people who belong to all political formations. There were very many people who even never voted for Azimio in the last elections, but they turned up in their numbers. And therefore, this movement can no longer be trivialized in the manner the Kenya Kwanza people are attempting to do. But more importantly, it must be made clear that we are in this for the long haul. If anyone is thinking that this is merely an activity that is going to end sometime soon, then he's living in a different planet. We are in this until all our demands are met. And those demands will have to be met. And we are very clear on them. You open the server, you involve all stakeholders in the reconstitution of the IEBC, and you reduce the cost of living. Do those three things, and you will find Nairobi returning to normalcy and the rest of the country. There are no two ways about it. No two ways about it. No amount of propaganda, no amount of press conferences, no amount of lamentations is going to cure this problem. Just deal with those three issues. Dumping must come to an end, as it will soon come to an end, for sure. We want also to caution the police against engaging in arbitrary arrests of innocent Kenyans who are going about exercising their democratic right under the Constitution. And on that note, we demand that all those youth who were illegally arrested yesterday and are languishing in various police stations be released immediately and